Springer Vieweg Verlag, formerly known as Vieweg+Teubner Verlag, is a German publishing company that specializes in books on technical subjects. It is a subsidiary of Springer Science+Business Media. The original Vieweg Verlag was founded in Berlin in 1786 by Friedrich Vieweg. The firm's headquarters were in Braunschweig from 1799 to 1974, at which time they were moved to Wiesbaden. In 2008, the company merged with Vieweg+Teubner Verlag, another technical specialty publisher that was founded in Leipzig in 1811, becoming Vieweg+Teubner Verlag. In 2012, the joint firm was acquired by Springer Science+Business Media and is now known as Springer Vieweg Verlag. The publisher focuses on construction engineering, electrical engineering, information technology, mathematics, mechanical engineering and natural sciences. According to the publisher, more than 30 Nobel Prize laureates have been published by Vieweg Verlag, among which are Albert Einstein and Max Planck. External links. Official website.